Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again. And I'm here with the Mi 11 and just wanted to share kind of an answer to a question I've been getting more about this phone than any other. And you may be wondering, where is this guy right now? I'm in my kitchen and just wanted to address, a question I've been getting a lot of. Frankie Tech, what is the water resistance, if anything, of this Mi 11? And why doesn't it have an IP rating? And it's a valid question considering the fact that this is a premium phone. Obviously, this is the regular Mi 11, but generally speaking, phones in this price point, at $600, you might want to expect an IP rating or at least a splash resistance rating on this phone. And I do think that Xiaomi has stated that while it doesn't have a kind of an official IP rating, it does have splash resistance. And I think, though, a step ahead of that, they probably have actually waterproofed this device a little bit. And you can actually see this if you open up the SIM tray. And I think I have a photo of this I can drop in right now. That basically will show you there is a little gasket around the SIM tray that will offer some sort of water protection, I think, for egress with this phone. Now, how much of water protection can it truly resist? How much water protection can this thing handle? Well, I've never tested it, and I'm not really planning to test it too much right now. But in terms of splash protection, there is something I can test right now, and it's to see, let's say you're in a rainstorm, and you have your phone off to the side, and all of a sudden it starts raining. It starts raining. It starts raining. Is it going to handle a bit of splashes? Let's see. So I got a little bit wet there. And by the way, guys, I bring my iPhone 12 Pro Max into the shower. And sometimes I even pick it up and I respond to comments in the shower. And it gets about as wet as this Mi 11 is right about now. And so generally speaking, I think, in terms of splash protection, you should have no problems with this phone. You should have no problems dealing with this. And obviously, though, because Xiaomi has made sure that the phone does have splash protection, but there's no official IP rating, guys. So you don't want to be dunking it in water. You don't want to be getting it drenched. I think with this kind of light, sprinkling of water, you should be completely fine. And to be honest, guys, I think, it'd be nice to get IP rating on this phone, but you never know. You never want to damage your phone. You never want to drop it in water because, God forbid, it's a big investment. You don't want to drop it. You don't want to lose it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh shit. It's broken, guys. Guys, the Mi 11 is not responding. Respond, damn it. Respond. Guys, my Mi 11 is not broken, guys. It's completely fine. And there you go. I'm going to put my password in. You have seen a dunking of this Xiaomi Mi 11 into about maybe 6 inches of water here. Not too deep a test. But look, if you were to drop, the question is, if you were to drop this phone into a sink or into a toilet for a few seconds and then you pick it out, I think it's fine. I think it's absolutely fine. And once I dry this up, let's go ahead and dry this up with my towel here. The Mi 11 is a terrific device. But beyond that, guys, I think it has a lot of the features of a flagship phone that people just don't realize. And I do think that there is some waterproofing to this device. It doesn't cost Xiaomi anything to include waterproofing on this Mi 11. It's the IP rating certification that costs money. And for them to get that for this phone, it just means more cost and it means just more of a higher price transferred to the consumer. So I think that's the deal here with this Xiaomi Mi 11. As you've seen, it can handle a dunk in water. And so I would not worry about the IP rating for this. Use it outdoors. If it starts raining, you can keep using it. Don't feel too worried about it. These phones are built pretty tough. And as you can see, the fingerprint scanner is working fine. Look, a little dunk like that does nothing to a phone like this. It is completely fine. and you should have no worries. This device is still working 100%. Now, if obviously I have run into issues later, I will let you guys know. But for now, I think we're good to go. So that's it for this one, guys. And hit me up in the comments. Do you think that there is actual waterproofing on this Xiaomi Mi 11? Because I truly believe that there is. Hit me up in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for future updates. Stay tuned, guys. I'm working on this Mi 11 review. It's coming very soon. Got all the B-roll shots already, and I plan to release this very soon. But very busy week here. Got another series of phones. Maybe you saw from Xiaomi there. The Redmi Note 9T is coming very soon. Stay tuned for that full coverage here on the channel on Friday at 8 p.m. is when the event is. Stay tuned for that as well. So that's it for this one, and this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one. Oh, shh. Have a good one. We're good. We're good.